Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add aerial mail to Gmail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the aerial mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then create the new account. Now open the Gmail app, then go to top right corner and tap on your user icon. Now from there, tap on add another account. Now select other IMAP from the options given on your screen. Now go ahead, type in your aerial account. Then tap on next. Now select try Gmailify from the screen. Then tap on next. Type in the aerial username and password. Then tap on next. Now select agree. And you're good to go. And guys, that's it. That's how you add aerial mail to Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.